In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to download the latest Python on your laptop and also verify to see whether it's working. And also, I'm going to help you guys create an environment variable for your Python as well. Yeah, very much simple. So now let's start. So what you're going to do is hop on your browser, any browser you're using. I'm using Chrome, so I just search Python download for Windows. Just hop on the main site. You should hop on something like this. You don't need to do anything complicated. Just tap on the installer. Anytime I'm trying to download something, I prefer the installer. So you tap on save to start the downloads. Yeah. So now let's say we are done with the download. We come here to our File Explorer downloads and you should find the installer here. So double tap it. Good. And now you can see this is it. So now we tap on the install to install. Good. So this pops up here. So what are we going to do? So here we are just going to type on the W, which is yes. So add command directory to your path now. So that's the environment variable I was saying I'm going to show you guys later. You do not have the latest Python. Do you want to install Python? See, so we just tap on yes, and then we tap on this, and good. You can see it's installing, extracting, blah blah blah. Good. So you can see the configuration checks is okay and everything is done now. So do you want to view online help, yes or no? So I'm just going to tap on the no because the installation is done. So now let's check. So we have to come to our command, search command prompt here. If it's not popping up, we'll have to go and check the environment variable, which I said I'm going to show you guys. So what we are going to do is we are going to search Python and then double dash, and then we enter version to check whether we have Python there, and you can see Python is fully installed, Python 3.140. So if you're going to use it on VS Code, I think you'd have to install the Python extension on VS Code too as well. I have a video on that. I'm going to link it to this video's description. So that's it on how you install Python on your Windows. Very much simple. My next video will be PyCharm, Terraform, Node, Java and the rest, VirtualBox, Git and all that. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. That's it for the video. Peace.